Hey guys, I'm showing you this round glass gold side table. This is a gold end table with a marble mirror top and a gold metal frame with a modern nightstand. It's a coffee table for the living room, small space bedrooms or any other place you want to do. Comes in two sizes. So let's open this. You can see a very nice glass with a marble print on it. There are three legs and the golden plated and also the nut bolt. So the installation is pretty easy and straightforward. They have like two each um, nut bolts for each leg. So the three legs you have to just put in, and you can see this is all the golden color legs with the screws. So in the back, be careful that the glass will not get scratched, and then you have to just put in these legs, and these screws will go on top of it. So the So put in the screws as mentioned in the manual, and then just attach all these three legs and you're all set with the assembly. So assembly is very easy. They're all the corner plated, the round plated, smooth the corners, and you can see like once after installing, this looks really good. The marble print is very nice on the glass and looks to give a marble feel, and also the side corners are good here. The three legs in total that are smooth and hold well the table. It's pretty easy to put in anywhere. You can use in the office, living room, bedroom, or any other place. So this gives a really a modern look to your space and is very handy and very nice printed glass table. So hope you like this table and you can also enjoy this table in your space.